Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Ford Motor Company. Ford Motor Company is steady with a slight bullish lean. Dips are still being defended. Key context: price reclaimed the 50-day EMA today. Today, the stock is gained by 3.4%, and the 30-day trend points to an uptrend. The long-term picture above the 200-day EMA remains constructive, while trading under the 9-day EMA flags short-term pressure or consolidation. There is an upward gap between $10.65 and $10.68 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 17.0% pullback from current levels. A rising trend line still acts as support near $11.00. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $13.50. Between the mid-term and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $14.21. If current momentum continues, a measured move points toward a long-term objective near $14.60. The long-term roadmap is active, with 4 of 4 key confirmations in place, including downtrend break, prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, EMA 200 reclaimed. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 64 to 120 sessions, or roughly 18.4 weeks. Invalidation sits near $12.18 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between July 24th and August 16th, the price saw a decrease of around 23.1%. From a long-term perspective, price is now trading above the long-term resistance zone, which makes a continuation of the trend more likely. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading above the 78%, 11.72 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 11.99 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 14.40, Fib 1.27, and then 14.95, Fib 1.62. Looking at Ford Motor Company today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently above several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 50.4, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility measured by ATR is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $13.50. If price manages to close above $13.50 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $12.18, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $13.01, support near $12.49, a midterm target around $13.50, a long-term projection close to $14.60. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Ford Motor Company. The most recent headline is, Ford Motor Company F stock shares rise as guidance holds after supplier fire. Will FHN$F stock hit Wall Street targets? Earnings overview report and long-term growth portfolio plans. Newscom 8 hours ago. How FHN$F stock compares with market leaders. Weekly trend report and AI-driven stock price forecasts. Newscom 7 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Ford Motor Company. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.